Hi guys, welcome to Tech Geeks. So today we are back with another Leetcode problem. That's a Leetcode daily challenge problem. So the problem for today is prefix and suffix search. That's basically a Leetcode hard problem and it's hard code 745. So before beginning with this, I'd like to request you all to please like, share and subscribe to my channel. In case of any queries, do let me know in the comment box. Any particular interview process you'd like to know about, or any job openings or any particular thing, please let me know. Okay, so let's see what the question says. The question says we have to design a special dictionary with some words that searches for the words by a prefix and a suffix. So this time the dictionary does not need to just check the prefix, it needs to check the prefix as well as suffix. We have been given two functions, sorry. That's wordFilter initializes the object with words in the dictionary, that's for initialization. And we have function f that takes a prefix and suffix and returns the index of the word. Now, if there are more than one valid index, we need to make sure that we return the largest of them. Okay, if there are no such words, then we need to keep in mind that it returns -1. Okay, if the word is not present. Let's see, they have given us an example that's apple is the word and prefix is a and suffix is a. So just to check with this particular thing, we need to check what could be the result for this. Okay, so for apple it's a and e, right? There's just one word, so the output should be 0, right? That's what we need to do and keep care of. Okay, now let's check with one thing. We'll look with an example that would be more clear to you all. Okay, let me take let me give some examples to you guys. Okay, not so big. Okay, we had this word apple, right? Now for apple, what could be the variations that could happen, right? That's what we need to check. For apple, it could be like prefix as a. First, let's take all the prefix, okay? Prefix can be a, ap, then app, appl, and applp, right? These are the prefix we have. Now talking about the suffix. These are the prefix. Let's take another one and go up for the suffix, right? So suffix can be e, le, ple, pple, and apple, right? We have these many variations, right? I hope you guys are clear with why I wrote this. Okay, so now the query can be, they can ask you that the prefix is a, suffix is e, prefix is a, suffix is le, anything can be there. Let's say it could be like this, it could be like this, and so many, and even it could be this, anything. Okay, so what could be the thing that could happen? So what if we take a particular map, we store all the prefix that can happen, then introduce a hash and all the suffix that can happen. Like for the first one, this is, then let's say this could also be, okay, well, we store all of these in a map with the index value. So here just one word, so we'll write the index value as 0. Okay, let's assume there was another word here that was a p q e. It's just a word, like no meaning in this. So in that case also we'll store that a hashtag e would also be there, and here from 1 we would have another one that says 1, because we have two index for now. So in that case we'll return 1. Okay, but here it was just a number, so this way we'll store all the prefix and suffix that were present. That could be the thing that could be done. Let's say PPLE is also there. We'll store each of them in a hash map. Now in the f function, we'll just call it, that's we are having a suffix and prefix. We'll just concatenate a string. That's prefix plus suffix. Okay. What we'll do in the f function, we'll make prefix plus hash plus suffix. Okay, and we'll compare this prefix and suffix, that say we had a map, and we'll check whether we have this, let's say the string was some s. Okay, whether we have this s in its function or not. And if in case it's not there, so we need to return -1. So we'll use this function map get or default. This function returns the index. If not present, then it will return the default value, that's -1 in our case. Though if we don't find, we get -1 only, but for, let's say if we get some other value, we can also use the same. So this is how we'll be following. Now there were solutions for tries, which is basically much easier with much less time complexity, but talking about people who are not aware of tries, so this is the basic solution that you could use. Let's see the solution. That's the code. I'd suggest you all not to go after the code, try on your own, because that's the most important thing you need to know. We'll create a global hash map because we are using it here itself. Then we call the function wordFilter, where we'll store this words first of all. Now words index, we have prefix plus suffix. So we'll, for all the possible strings of the prefix and suffix, we'll store it in a string and store the string in map with the index. Now once the index is why we are using this, because in the first example it was just apple, but it could be more than one word, so that's why this function is going on. Now in f, it's just a simple thing. We'll introduce a string, we'll join it, and we'll check whether in map it's present or not. So I guess this was quite easy for you guys to understand. If in case it's not, please let me know in the comment box. Any particular thing you'd like to know, then please let me know. Till then, keep following Tech Geek. Thank you.